Corn and soybeans dropping double digits midweek after those new tariffs on steel and aluminum imports went into effect. AgDay's Michelle Rook has an update in markets now.
Well, grains lower on Wednesday with the livestock futures mostly higher. Alan Brugler's back with analysis. Pressure in the grains. Let's talk about where it came from, because we are seeing renewed and escalation on tariff talks with the EU and Canada, aren't we?
Yes, unfortunately, that's the theme of the day, theme of the week, probably theme of the month is the back and forth negotiations on tariffs. Obviously, if Canada is threatening, even as a secondary move, to put some tariffs on U.S. ethanol exports, and they're one of our main customers, that's not a positive for corn. And I think that's one of the things we were reacting to on the old crop corn.
So do you think some of the shuttering of some of the biodiesel plants that we heard about in Iowa also maybe had an impact on at least the soybean market, or not?
To me, the bottom line on soybeans is that we're picking a tariff fight with China. You're going to see China go to South America production for their exports as much as they can. And that means you're backing up beans in the U.S. And what we haven't seen from the administration is any incentives to use more beans in the U.S. And bean oil. So, we need clarity on the 45Z stuff. We need ideally some increase in the RVOs. Let's create some domestic consumption to offset some of that potential export loss.
So the pressure in the grains also feels like the specs are hitting the sell side of the market. Is that a fair assessment or not?
Cause and effect is the question. Are they selling commodities because they're getting big losses on their stock portfolios, getting margin calls they have to meet? Are they losing their expectations for inflation, or just looking at the tariffs and saying, hey, prices are too high if we've got to absorb all this stuff domestically? All of those things kind of suggest taking a more cautious position there, and I think that's what you're seeing. They're just pulling some money out. They did have very large, historically speaking, very large long positions.
All right, thanks for joining us, Alan Brugler with A&N Economics. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.